Talisay, Cebu, President Aquino urged Cebuano voters to give him more allies in the Senate who will not stand in the way of the administration's programs. The president issued the call in a speech before a huge audience at Tabunok Sports Complex for the Liberal Party's first official campaign activity in Cebu. Elena Luna reports.
The government is pushing trade and tourism in Cebu through various infrastructure programs in the province. In a speech before Cebuanos in Talisay City, President Aquino named some of the province's road networks.
Sa Hulyo naman po, inaasahan natin matatapos na ang rehabilitasyon ng Wano Avenue. Kapag po nakumpleto natin ito, ang dating isang oras sa biyahe mula Cebu City papuntang Mactan Cebu International Airport ay magiging 30 minuto na lang.
The President said the widening of the Mactan Circumferential Road will be starting soon.
Tulad po na nabanggit natin nung nakaraang SONA, i-upgrade na rin natin ang ating international airport sa Mactan. Na target natin makompleto bago matapos ang ating terminal. Ibig sabihin po nun, terminal, mas maayos na apron, mas mataas na kapasidad bago po tayo bumaba sa pwesto.
Aside from focusing on infrastructure projects, the President said the government is also working on expanding social services. Cebuanos are beneficiaries of the Sitio Electrification Program and the Conditional Cash Transfer Program. For the government's reform agenda to continue in the next 3 years, the President asked Cebuanos to support the coalition candidates.
Dapat to, may panatag tayong kalooban, maayos yung naiupo natin, iba na asikasuhin ko, lalo na kung problema panlabas, di ba? At yung pangkalahatan. Baka naman sa Senado, makalimutan nyo akong bigyan ng kasamahan doon. No? Eh di mabigat yung angkla ng Senador, 12 ho yun, kung di nyo akong bibigyan ng katulong sa Senado. Mas maganda ho, mas marami tayong kaalyado dyan, at syempre po, saan pa tayo pupunta kundi sa Team Pinoy.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.